こんにちは。
こんにちは。
This is Yoshi and Miho and Kaonashi. How are you, Kaonashi? He's very good friend of us. And we are at Canyon in Catalonia right now. We are enjoying the rural tourism in Catalonia. And we are actually Japanese but live in Thailand. And we have been working on the project for community revitalization project. And through the community-based tourism in Japan and Thailand, and that's why we chose this place. And we really appreciate very much the Casa Leonardo that they gave us lots of information about rural tourism in Catalonia, which is very very interesting for us. So we are very very happy that we chose this place as a final destination of honeymoon. And right. Anyway, so thank you very much and see you sometime and mucho gracias.